The clearly filtered 3-stage under-sink water filter system. If you're looking for an elite filtration option, look no further than the clearly filtered 3-stage under-sink water filter system. With an ability to remove over 230 contaminants from your drinking water, Clearly Filtered sets itself apart. Unlike many filtration options, the Clearly Filtered under-sink filter is able to target and remove 90.7% of fluoride and 98.9% of lead. But not only does it remove contaminants, it also retains the healthy minerals your body requires, like magnesium and potassium. Every filter includes 3 replaceable filters that utilize Clearly Filtered's proprietary Affinity Filtration Technology. The filters have an impressive life of 2,000 gallons, so most users only need to change them about once a year. And when it is time to replace, the twist-on, twist-off design makes the filter changing process take just a few seconds. The Clearly Filtered under-sink water filter system was designed for easy installation. It's compatible with any sink and is typically a 15-minute DIY job that anyone can handle. Simply connect the included stainless steel hoses to your cold water line and you're off and running. No power tools required. The entire Clearly Filtered under-sink water filter system is only 3 inches deep, 15 inches wide, and 15 inches high, so it can be conveniently mounted under any sink without taking up a lot of valuable space. Overall, the Clearly Filtered under-sink water filtration system is the best under-sink option. They are independently tested by accredited labs to NSF, ANSI, and EPA standards to guarantee unparalleled effectiveness. The system is made in the United States with a limited lifetime warranty and a 30-day money-back trial. Here are the pros. Removes 232 plus contaminants. Long filter life of 2,000 gallons. Independently tested to a wide range of standards. No wasted water as you'd have with an RO system. Easily installs in about 15 minutes. And the cons: a need to replace filters about once a year, but you can save money by getting a filter subscription. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video on your favorite products. Thanks for watching and see you next time.